Mlalelo wami, namhlanje ngikuphathele istory esibanzi. Ngiyacela ukuthi ube nesikhathi. Uma ujabona ukuthi isikhathi awunaso, pressa ku-watch later uzobe uyibuke le video. Enza sure ukuthi-ke uyasubscribe, uyalike. Ebese uyilinde ividiyo iziphele. Sune full understanding yayo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ebese uyakhomenta. Ngikuphathela usisi-ke owayithakathwa indoda yakhe. Nami angeke ngiqeqe amagulu ukuthi wayemthakathelani noma wakwenzakalani ngoba istory ngisiphethe la kufuneka usilalele sonke bese uyakwazi ukuthi nawe uyikhomentele. Istory-ke sasiphethwe masiphethwe umnikazi waso kanje, mina ngiyangithanda ukuthi ngiqale ngisichaze ebese wena uyasilandela. Kodwa nje ngoba sengishilo ngathi uma unesikhathi hlala, kodwa uma ungenaso isikhathi beka ividiyo noma uyidlale uyishiye kafu uyibeke ku-watch later bese ubuyayibuka. Enza sure ukuthi-ke ususubscribe-ile walike. Nasi istory umlalelo wami, mina ngojabula ukuthi ngithole i-comment yakhe ekugcineni ukuthi ngempela wena kuthini ngovo lakho mayelana nalolu daba. Uyayazi lento noma ikhona noma into engekho noma kuyenzeka ibe khona noma kuyenzeka ingabikho. Ukuthi futhi kukhona izinto oyifunayo njengokuthi usisi unevideo la watshelwa khona omunye wabathandazi ukuthi lento le kunento kanje ukuthi akazange azasithathe serious ngaleso sikhathi kodwa wayirecorda ngoba-ke ube nenhlanhla yokuthi aphinde ayiveze uma ngabe abantu sebeyifuna. Wase wafaka futhi isithombe sabhuti ukuthi cha mawukuthi ngempela ngiyadlula emhlabeni, nangu umuntu okufanele nimbuze noma uthi ngiba nenkinga ngiyahlanya noma kwenzakalani ngempilo yami, nangu umuntu okufanele nimbuze. So nasi istory umlalelo wami lapha ekhaya. Enjoy
guys. Namhlanje angizanga nendaba ezimnandi, yeah, but singiqale la. Before you get married, before you get into a relationship, just pray that you marry into a relationship and you marry a partner that knows God. Yeah. Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm just too emotional, you know. So I'm going to look at this cat and I almost died in my hands. As a one thing, see, I'm going to pill sana nice. Guys, I've been sick. I've been very sick. That is why I've not been posting. Normal post, it's just once a day. It's normal like before I'm alive. I've been very sick. I had this very rare sickness. First, I was going on my periods and I was not stopping. Second, I had my skull, not my skin, my skull, but my skull was painful. Like it was painful. Oh, so ngathi uyashisa or what's going on. Now some they even gave me amalanga. I stayed at home for like 3 weeks. Kulo 3 weeks loyo ngiyavuka ebusuku ngiyahlanza ngiyaphuma engubeni ngiyashaya kodwa. So I thought that it's flu, remember? So the other day I remember, because my face was like literally burning. Sorry guys, I'm back. My face was burning like from inside or so my fridge some eyes where was left, and I just tried to put on my face. Yes, like it was so I took this the eyes low. All right, fine. Fast forwarding to where I'm getting. Yeah, boss. My looks commenting how Manglele, something says to me, why ungakaze uyelala enhlala khona with your husband before uyocheck nje ukuthi what's going on, because the house, nobody stays in that house, you know, but he was always going there every day. Uyavuka guy ahamba lapha. Ngibuze mina ukuthi mawufika lapha ufukwenzeni because akunasitulo, akunabed, akunanix, you know. Okay, hayi angitholi my answer. If yakini nama ngeke ngihlale ngayikithi, and kubo yena akunamuntu mina kithi, there's still my mom and my dad and everyone, you know, and my kids are still there. How okay, hey, isikhathi siyahamba, angazi ngibe nalento ukuthi why ngingathathi umntanami no awusi ngibahambise ngibayise ekhaya, you know, bayohlala ekhaya for just a while. Angazi what brought that in me. Okay, fine, ngithatha awusi ngibahambise so sale So inhliziyo says to me, go there. Ukhoyobona ukuthi lapha yakenzakalani. I was really sick. I was really sick. I think it's 3 days back. I was really, really sick. Ngithi yabo manje ngiyashona and it's fine. I've even lost weight. Impahla zingilingani. So ngisuke la driving ekhaya. Mangifika ekhaya, I find my sisters and they're like, "Hayi lakato, let's go to Chisanyama, just to cheer you up." And it's no, guys, I just wanna go lapha ePambridge. I wanna go to Pambridge. And they say, "Akuhlali umuntu ePambridge." It's here, but my mind is telling me ukuthi I must drive to Pambridge. They're like, okay, it's na search Chisanyama. It's no, guys, hambani. Ngizwe ukuthi azini yabona namhlanje if I'm not gonna die angazi, but please yami angihambi ngelapha. Guys, ngene emotweni ke. Ngidrive. Mangifika laphayana, his car is there. So laphaya we were building, so sakhe ibonda ngaphandle. Besichachile sakhe ibonda ngaphandle because benganabonda when I got there. He's been staying there now for I think for 10 years. Yeah. And then mangifika laphaya mina bekahlala a big room, Mind you, my family was fighting me with there's no way you would date this guy. There is no, and I'm ngiyamthanda. And they're like, this guy uglisile, wenza something. And I'm like, I love him. Ngiyamthanda njalo. I even stopped talking to my parents at some point. If you guys don't want me to be with him, then I'm not gonna talk to you guys. So ngifika lapha ngakibona, So manje mangiya. We want to see like here, the other side there's a gate and the other side there's no gate. A gate in England. There's just a space, but there isn't a gate. Hey, mangifika, I see his car there. Hi, ngingene. Yabo mangena ngikokote endlini. Because his car is there, so it means he's there. Ngikokote endlini akunamuntu. Ngikokote emarumini akunamuntu. Mangithi ngibheka la ngapha emva kwami ngaphandle, I see a candle. So this candle is flaming, yabo. I see a white candle, and then I go close. I'm like, why would somebody come like the candle like me? And obviously it's him because his car is there. How ngisondela la ukhandlela ngithi ene izinto lezi. So as I check okule prank le ihleli ikhandlela, I see a resemblance of isicathulo sami. So it's a picture seyishile kusele just isicathulo kancane. So I'm like, this is my shoe. And then this candle is not white, so it's wrapped with a paper and cloth. Yabo. And then paper line guys, my picture is a inhlabile. Ilo in a lid. My picture is wrapped around a red candle, and then it's got needles. Got so many needles around it, and then there's a pencil line I am lap like just next to it, and then there's needles everywhere, like around it, everywhere. And then kulento le candle angazinikisa in where you put on the lights. There's my hair wrapped around that thing, and there's another inality ehlamba from isithombe to lenzimbileyo to the other side to that ntamboleyo to the other side of the thing. Guys, and immediately I saw that it's my picture. And then I took this candle and I ran home because I was like, this is something that I'm not supposed to see. And if umuntu wafika la umnikazi walezinto lezo wathola ukuthi ngibone lezi zinto lezi angeke ngiphume la ngiphila. Okay, fine. I get inside the car, I take the candle and everything. Now I'm running. I ran into the car. I drive. As I'm driving, I call my sisters, guys, like, I guys, please, so they're like, no, smell inyama estofini. So I get there. I show my sisters, the candle. So I show my sisters, guys, look what I'm going through. Oh, they were shocked. Like, my sisters were crying. And they're like, kunini sikutshela about this guy. I'm like, oh, guys, but it can be ukuthi ikhandlela lokuthi isiphile or lokuthi silast, because it's only me on this candle. All right, fine. We call my dad vele asusendleleni I think bekabuye South. That's my dad. My dad's like, I'm on my way from South. No, I needed to come because I think in the house lapha there's more things, and I'm ngiyasaba because mina naisi too. After what I found, ngiyasaba, guys. My dad, I know I'll come down. Yes, all right, fine. Sibuyele with my dad. So lapha sifune members of the CPF and stuff. We also called the cops of Batsbayes and they didn't come. We called again and the same story. Guys, to cut this long story short, must feel up here with my dad and the CPF. Some male, magafi okay. Uzavelo uyawalk. Like yeah, nanje bekazitshela nje ukuthi uzo-acta innocent, you know. But his car is there and nobody stays there. I magafi okay. Bamtshele ke ukuthi ayisicela ukuthi usivulelela endlini. So my sister still had the candle, you know, in her hand because we are explaining about the CPF. Did my husband not jump? What jump and Lucy so much le candle little shoot with that picture while lahlela phezulu kwendlu. Oh guys. Oh, and he was like, if ngiyangishaya it's fine, but let's tombele ngifana naso. Oh. Okay guys, yeah. Anyway, ubaya ahluthele ikhandlela and the picture azilahlele phezulu kwendlu. Hey, I'm Louise. So it's us, me, my dad, my cousin, my two sisters, nabantu be-CPF. Louise, like, why would you throw the candle on top of that thingy? Wenzani, about like some push or wenzani. And then sesigijimisa ikhandlela nesithombe manje. Vulgate. Oh, sis vulgate. Because mina la bengena khona ngisho akuna gates. So sis vulgate. Kaya vulgate. Sihambe. Masingena endlini before azovula vele endlini. So my little sister has the candle and the picture esandleni. Wavela wathatha ibag washaya usisi wami like unexpectedly, so isithombe sawela le. Sambamba wasigijimela uguy isithombe wathatha lesithombe lesi wasibamba esandleni wasiphonsela erufini yase next door, wasiphonsela next door. What is it with this picture? Sisiyabuzana ukuthi kanti lesithombe lesi kwenzakalani ngaso. I simphushe ke lapho masimphusha awe like so, and then avule his bag ivula umnyango. Guys, masingena endlini iBraham isebondeni kokotole ngeyibhikiri. Guys, masingena endlini khona amakhandlela laphansi amanye already anamanaliti lapho. Guys, kunomabhebeza bathe umabhebeza ulapha ebhakideni in the house. There's my earrings around lapho afaswe ngezinto. Yazi sengiyahleka kumnandi. Guys, I almost died. Oh, guys, my bra, iBraham. Alright, fine. Sisamanye la ngisho thina busy sikhamisile lapha. Awugaya vela kubaleke. Bengana namandla ukuthi ngimgijimise, bengana namandla. Like we just had to go on top of the roof. Siyogibela ukuthi sithole isithombe kanti siwele next door. Sihamba sithatha isithombe next door. We stood there, okay, community yafika vele. Most of the people in the community, they're like, no, we know ukuthi vele thina abantu bala bayaganga. That's what you know, like from way back. Oh, I guys, I believe lapho there's a time where ngithi mangilele la embedeni inyawo zami bezilokha, and he would wake up angabi inyawo zilokhe inyawo ngikhale. I would go to doctors ngingazi ukuthi what's wrong. And this one time I joined a live yaga I think it's Pastor Thomas or something, these Nigerian pastors. Lo mfundisi lo wangitshela athi when there's an area of death pointed to you, when uyashona and ubulawa umuntu omthandayo, and kwakho la uhlala khona kunemithi. I said ikhona imithi but eyakhe yokugeza uthi eyase emsebenzini because emsebenzini bayamlawyer and that's there's no such thing. lezi zinto lezi kubo bazifakela wena because wena umsuse laphaya kubo la bekahlala khona wamisa kwenye indawo. So kuba bacanga ukuthi wena udla imali yakhe. Mind you, this guy doesn't support the kid. For mntana oyi-1 mina naye akamsupport loyo mntana loyo. Monthly makathi ungiphe imali, ungiphe 200. Guys, nezothi nginama-screenshots just to prove that. And the video of that day nezinto esizitholile naye futhi, I'm gonna post them here. So in short, guys, I made this video because I don't think ukuthi he's gonna stop here. Ngoba lento le ihlanganelwe, you know, with my in-laws. Ihlanganelwe lento lena, the sister uyinyanga, the mother umprofit, the sister uthwasile, wathwasisa umama endlini naye bekathi mela hambe ayothwasa. Bathi naye une calling naye bekumele ayothwasa. Umntana kasisi wakhe lo munye nasekafaka isiphika esikolweni nentambo nani una 7. And then abe bathi ayothwasa nobhuti wakhe bekumele ayothwasa, no bababo bekathwasile, so bonke kushuthi banomoya. I'm making this video because should anything happen to me, because I don't think bastopile, I don't think they're gonna stop. Angazi ikhandle leli-red liminani nama-needles nani, but I don't think they're a good thing, you know. Angazi zimina ini. Mara ngithi mangimbuza that night at the police station, because he went to the police station, the police called, and then aqambe amanga. When I explained to the cops bamxoshe police station, and then waya kwenye police station waza namaphoyisa endlini, babafika nabo ngiba-explainela bamshiya lapho bathi sisi hamba uvulela le ndoda le protection order, this man is dangerous for you, this one. So athi bathi ngimkhaphe la, ngimlethe la endlini azothatha into zakhe lezi azidingayo, and he must never come to this place ever. So guys, I'm sorry about that. Should anything happen to me, should I go missing, should I die, should I get sick or even a stroke on Yimingani, that is why I'm making this video. You must know who to look for and where to look. So the guy that I'm talking about, ukhona ku TikTok, ilona username yakhe is ukanketsa. Yeah, ukanketsa. Yeah, he's got his pictures and my pictures there and our videos. And he's got 2 accounts. Le enye ibhale Paul. Is it Paul Musue? Paul Mosuoe. It's got our daughter's picture on it. Should anything, guys, like anything happen to me, whether ngizoshona or what, because akastopanga, and as we speak really lapha eqwaqwa lezi zinto lezi zakhe uthola eqwaqwa kubo. Yes. Should anything happen to me, Kyashwa, stroke, I go missing, anything, this is where you guys must first go and look. And I'm 100% sure kuzabe kuyena. Angazi ngimenzeni ukuthi afuna ukungibulala, because I don't think those things are a good thing. Or ufuna ukuthwala ngami, or I don't know. Most people love bakhona be-community lapha, they're like, this guy ufuna ukuthwala ngawe. You must die, and then bese yena athwale ngawe. That is why I enjoy all this. And ithombe zami mangifika endlini ngivule album, and every picture ukhiphe one picture, in every page ukhiphe one picture, every page ukhiphe one picture. And that picture there, it was the last picture ngoba lezi zinye vele zishile lapha. So that is why he was fighting for this picture. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu wami namadlozi wami, because I don't know what said to me, hamba uye lapha. Angazi if angifikanga ngalesikhathi engifike ngazo, because ngifike livutha lekhandela up to here esithombeni, ngivele up to here, so selishile from ekhanda lishile up to la. I'll post the pictures and the videos. Naye noma bebeza loyo, we did take a picture of that creepy thing. Amabra wami, amapencil line wami. Yeah, I'll post everything. If I go missing, you must know. So all in all, ngirides manje ngipholile. That night I bleed through 2 of my nostrils. Bengiphuma nje igaca like into iphuma ngithi bebele ukuthi gqu sengithi manje I need to go to the hospital. So ikhaya bathi no, maybe kade yaphola ile nto bekuphethe la, maybe bowusha, you were burning from inside. So kuphuma amahlwili. In the morning I could not believe I touched my face and I was well. Guys, uNkulunkulu namadlozi bakhona. When you get married, pray that you marry into a family that knows God. Pray that your husband uyamazi uNkulunkulu nabantu bakubo. And angazi, don't marry a breadwinner, guys. Don't marry a breadwinner, guys. I've supported this guy all my life. And I'm gonna support keep. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.